Welcome guys, I'm here with another awesome video. In today's tutorial I'm going to be teaching you how to take screenshots with your iPhone X, XR, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and then 16. So make sure you stick with me to the end of this video. Do not skip any part of this video, because if you do, you might not get the right information on how to set it properly. So make sure you stick with me to the end. Okay, and now this is how it works. If you want to take a screenshot and you've been wondering how to go about it, I'm here to solve all your problems. Don't worry, just watch, learn and apply the skills. This is going to help you so well, I guess so. So right now, let's jump into my phone screen and then I demonstrate how to go about it, so that you can also take the same measures into consideration whilst you practice it perfectly for the same results. So for the first time, when you want to take screenshots, we have three methods of going about this. And the first method I'm going to be teaching you is when you take either your iPhone X or the mentioned phones I just said earlier on. From the starting or the beginning of this video, what you are going to be doing is see the volume app right here, which is the first button app, with this button right here, which is the power button. You are going to be applying the volume up and then the side button. So let's click over there real quick. Okay, so this is the first method of taking screenshots on either of your iPhones. So let's check our gallery to see whether it has been saved successfully. Click on my gallery. So here is what I just screenshotted and it has been saved successfully in my gallery. Right now let's go back and let me show you the next step. So the next step, which is step 2, what we are going to be doing, we are going to be locating the settings button on our iPhone. So let's look for the settings app on our iPhone. Let's toggle on it once. Scroll back. So after toggling on it, what you have to do next, you have to look for the touch button. Here is the touch button with a little hand in a blue square. Click on that one real quick. So let's perform that real quick. After clicking on that, what you have to do next, you scroll all the way down and you look for back tap. What do I mean by back tap? The back tap is something that is on the iPhone. When it's switched on, you can control with either shortcuts. Anything you want the phone to do, it can be done over here. So let's click on the back tap real quick. After clicking the back tab, you guys can see we have double tap, and then we also have triple tap right here. We have double tap and triple tap right here. So what we are going to be doing, let's click on the first one real quick, which is the double tap. So after you've done that, what you are going to be doing, you scroll all the way down and you look for screenshots right here. So let's click on that real quick. After clicking on the screenshot, what you have to do next, you go back, click on the back space, and then we go to our home real quick. So what we just did was we selected the double tap on the back of our iPhone. So right now I'm going to be demonstrating how it works. So we have to click on the back twice, which is okay. So I just click, double tap the back of the iPhone, and then it took screenshots automatically. Let me turn it this way and let me perform the same task. Okay, so that is how to go about it, taking a screenshot using the back tap with the double tap button. Right now, let's go back to our settings one more time. So let's click on the accessibility. Let's click on the touch. After the touch, let's go all the way down to the back tap one more time. So over here we are going to be selecting the triple tap. So let's switch off the double. Let's come back real quick to the triple tap. Over here we are going to be doing the same thing, which is selecting the screenshots. So let's go back real quick, and then here we are going to be clicking the back 3 times, which is okay. Let me turn this way so that you can see what I did. Okay, so when you do that, you're going to take a screenshot automatically. And then let's go to our phone. Let's see what we just captured. So these are what we just captured using the double tap and then the triple tap from our iPhone. And now let's get out of there. So right now the last method is, let me show you the last method. Okay, so let's click on the settings one more time. Let's go back real quick. After clicking the settings, what are we going to be doing for this next step? Let's go all the way down and look for accessibility on our iPhone. Let's click there real quick. After that, we have to click on the touch one more time. After clicking the touch one more time this time around, we are not going to be using this, so let me turn it off real quick. What we are going to be looking for this time around is called assistive touch. Let's click there real quick, and then we have to on it. You guys can see when I just on it, we have some little button which is rotating on our iPhone here and there. So what we are going to be doing is, after this pop-up on, you notice this pop-up on your iPhone, what you have to do for the custom action for this assistive touch, we have the single tap, the double tap, long press, and then the 3D touch. But I'm going to show you how to go about the double tap, the long press, and then the single tap. Don't worry. So right now, let's make use of the single tap once. Let's place it on none. So right now, what we are going to be looking for, we're going to be scrolling all the way down and look for screenshots over here. When it is done, we go back. So over here, what we are going to be doing, let's bring it down. So we selected a single tap, so let's click double tap. Sorry guys, let's click it once. You guys saw what's happened right now. After clicking on this little pop-up here, when you click on the button showing right here, when you tap on it once, it's going to take a screenshot of your iPhone. Then let's go back one more time. Now let's go to the double tap. Let's turn off this first. Let's go to the double tap. When you go to the double tap, we are also going to be applying the same method, which is selecting our screenshot right here. Let's go back again. So right here, we are going to be applying the same method, but this time around we are going to be double tapping, not single tap. Okay, so what I just did was double tapping this little cursor right here, and that is how it took a screenshot of my iPhone. Let's go back and then let me show you the last method on this area. So right now, let's turn off this one again. Let's put it on none. Let's go back real quick. Now let's tap on the long press, and then we also apply the same method right here by selecting the screenshot. After that, let's go back. After going back, let's get out of here, and then over here we are not going to be pressing it single or double tap, but rather we are going to be pressing it for a longer period of time. Let's see what happens. Okay, so when I just click on this cursor for a longer period of time, it took a screenshot automatically. So make sure you smash the like button, you turn on notification so that anytime I drop new videos you can get alerts. Also make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel